in this question we have to prove that result of this integral is 2 upon 3 plus log 2 by 3. Okay. So, starting, let limits from 1 to 3 dx upon x square x plus 1. Now, we will be going for the partial fraction. Okay. So, we can write it 1 upon x square x plus 1 is equal to a upon x plus b upon x square plus c upon x plus 1, or 1 upon x square x plus 1 is equal to ax with x plus 1 with b x plus 1 with c x square upon x square x plus 1. Okay. So, what we are having, 1 is equal to a x square plus a plus bx plus b plus cx square, a plus c x square plus ax square with ax, okay, plus a plus b with x plus b. Now, equating the coefficients of x square, x and constant term, a plus c is equal to 0, a plus b is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. On solving, a is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 1, b is equal to 1. Now, the integral becomes 1 to 3 dx upon x square x plus 1 is equal to a, now minus integration of 1 to 3, a is minus 1, so minus dx upon x, one thing, plus b is 1, so integration of 1 to 3, 1 upon x square dx plus integration of 1 to 3 dx upon x plus 1. Now, we are having integration for first is minus log x 1 to 3. Then plus integration of 1 to 3 x raised to power minus 2 dx plus log mod of x plus 1 from 1 to 3. Okay. So, now what we are having? We are having minus log 3, it is 1 upon x dx, okay, minus log 3 minus log 1 plus log 1, one thing, minus, now this becomes 1 upon x for 1 to 3 plus log 3 plus 1 minus log 1 plus 1. Is it clear? So now what we are having? We are having minus log 3 one term minus 1 upon 3 minus 1 plus log 4 minus log 2. Now we can write it these two terms in the same manner. So we are having log 4 minus 2 by 3 minus log 3 by 2. Minus log 3 by 2. This will become 2 log 2 log 2 by 3. No, it is not 2 by 3. This will be minus, oh shit, oh my god, let it be minus log 3 minus log 2. Now this will be 2 log 2 plus 2 by 3 minus log 3 minus log 2. Then this is log 2 plus 2 upon 3 minus log 3. Now this becomes log 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Log 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Proved.